guys fam, it's Amber here again today on Amber's Action. Today we're going to be cooking some really good salmon dinner for my boyfriend as a surprise. So grab your favorite pair of mom jeans and let's get started. Welcome to my kitchen! Today we're actually going to be making a surprise dinner for my boyfriend for when he comes home. So he's going to be coming home in about 20 to 30 minutes. So I'll show you how I do it. So the first step actually is going to be my kitchen is really dirty and I also wanted to provide you some ASMR while I silently wash all of my dishes. Just kidding, I'm probably gonna actually have background music playing, but I gotta clean the dishes, so that's always your first step for when you're in the kitchen, people. So, got a scoochy scoochy. Alright. So now that we have a clean kitchen, we can finally get started. Let's roll. Alright guys, the first thing we're going to be doing actually is grab your favorite apron. Mine actually says "Life is Sweet" with a whole bunch of apples on it. And then you're going to grab your salmon. I got mine from Alaska sockeye salmon fillets from Target. And I'm going to be setting the oven to 350. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright. Awesome. So while that sets, we're actually going to go jump in because I'm going to make some Brussels sprouts and rice with this as well. So it's going to be super healthy there. Alright. So take you guys with me over here. Alright. So I actually have a rice cooker for this, which is why this is an amazing, super easy, super healthy recipe, and everything will be in the description down below if you're interested in doing the same for yours, for your boyfriend. Alright, so grab your rice, and for this I usually put in probably around 1 cup or so. We really like our grains in this house, so I added a little bit more. Okay, alright. So actually I just realized that I have some little bit of coconut milk left, so I think I'm going to add that to this. Okay, so we have our condensed coconut milk. This one's sweetened, so it's actually going to make it a little bit sweeter than what I was anticipating, so that'll be good. Alright. And because we're only doing about 2 servings of rice, we don't actually need a lot of coconut milk, so I'm only going to add the amount that is in this can. Ooh, looks like we have some old tomatoes here. Gross. So, that's why you eat your vegetable, kids, because then you don't waste money like me. Okay. Alright guys, so the next step is actually going to be to take all of these out of their packaging. I personally don't really like a lot of plastic packaging, but for Target this is what they had, so I grabbed it. Alright. Alright, and then I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Just until the bottom of the pan is nice and coated. Alright, and now it's time to put it in. Alright, so in about 20 minutes this bad boy will be ready. Alright, let's go. Guys, in hindsight, I probably should have put my hair up in the beginning. It's a lot easier to cook. I guess I don't cook that often. This is just a little surprise because he usually does all the cooking, so. Shh. Okay. Alright, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so the salmon is done. Let's get her out. Well, it doesn't look quite done, so you always want to check to make sure that it's the correct temperature before you serve it, because sushi, stop it. Sushi is great if it's prepared properly, but you don't want to do it for some random frozen fish. Okay, got that out of the way. And I always use the little thermometer that's right on the side here, actually. Okay, I understand, but I might have to put this back in, so shh. Guys, so now I want to check the temperature, and you want to make sure that it's 145. And make sure to take it in the thickest part.
That's what she said.
Alright, and these are not quite done yet, so we're going to pop them in for about 5 to 10 more minutes. So now I just have to wait for him to get home. Hi honey, welcome home.
Wow. This looks really good. Thanks, honey. That looks amazing.
You like it?
It's delicious. Thanks, honey. And you can eat with me?
I think I'll grab my stuff. Uh-oh. Okay.
Hey.
Welcome home.
No, thanks, sweetheart.
Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to this week's episode of Cooking with Me. Everything was reported to be really good, except I made a mistake on the rice. I actually put in sweetened condensed milk because I didn't read the label. Okay, so we have our condensed coconut milk. This one's sweetened, so it's actually going to make it a little bit sweeter than what I was anticipating, so that'll be good. Children, read the label. Thought it was coconut milk, but turns out I just made a really good dessert. So, thank you so much for tuning in. Give me a comment down below on some of your favorite healthy recipes, and I look forward to seeing you in next week's video. Bye!